Sometimes what we need to do is create a list of the email addresses for our class. This can help us with GoGuardian or anything else where we are creating a class within another program by email addresses. And so we just come into our gradebook. I have the create a new assignment up just because I don't want to have any student information or grades up. And I'm going to come up here to reports and I'm going to select contact list export. And here, for this particular purposes, all I want selected is the student email address, because for GoGuardian, all I need, or all they'll accept, is the student email address. And so I want to make sure nothing else is checked. I'm going to go ahead then and run the report. I realize that I can do this for multiple classes, but I really want just one set at one time because I want to upload them that way. So I'm not going to select any other ones. I'm going to run my export and it's going to ask me to download it. I'm going to go ahead and name it Period 1 World Cultures. That way I'll help to keep it organized. And then it goes ahead and downloads. Then what I want to do is open this up. And here I'm going to see my list. Now obviously I've replaced the actual email addresses, but they'll go for however many you have in your class. What we have in here, which we don't want in GoGuardian, is this header up at the top. So I'm simply going to click this and I'm going to say delete. And then I just have my list of emails, which is what GoGuardian wants. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. It's going to say, do you really want to save it as the CSV format, which Excel doesn't want. They want you to save it in the Excel format. I'm going to say yes, and it's going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And I will tell you that when I close it out, it's going to give me another warning saying, do you want to save it? I already saved it. I'm going to say don't save, and I'm going to move on. Back here, I'm going to go to my next course, and I'm going to save the list. My next course, I'm going to save the list, etc. Honestly, I'm really going to do all those first, and I'm going to go in, change all the CSVs. I just want to show you how that's done. But now you're ready to import into GoGuardian.